Hello children. I hope you have completed worksheet number 9. Today we are discussing activity number 1 from the worksheet number 10. Today we are going to learn about how to read small passages. Learning outcome. At the end of this activity, you will be able to think about what is happening in a text while reading it in order to generate questions. You will be able to read small sentences. Before that, be ready with your pencil, an eraser and English worksheet number 10. Let's start today's activity. Activity number 1. Read the passages and answer the questions. In the activity number 1, you are going to learn about how to read the passages. Before that, let me read words from the box. The, little, bake, cake, make, will, likes, rent, she. The little girl likes to bake. She will bake a cake. She will make a red cake. Children, repeat each sentence after me. The little girl likes to bake. She will bake a cake. She will make a red cake. Let's write the correct answer related to the passages. Who likes to bake? Boy, girl, baby. The correct answer is girl. She will bake a cake, cookie, pizza. I hope you have identified. The correct answer is cake. What color is the cake? Pink, yellow, red. The correct answer is red. In the next activity, you have to read the passages and answer the correct questions. A tail, he's fast, Ned, fox, he can, likes, walk, he's big. Ned is a fox. He can run fast. Ned likes to wag his big tail. Let's write the correct answer related to the passages. Ned is a cat, dog, fox. The correct answer is fox. He can run. I hope you have identified the correct answer. Yes, the correct answer is fast. He can run fast. Next one. My dad has a car. The car is blue. The car can go fast. Children, repeat each sentence after me. My dad has a car. The car is blue. The car can go fast. My dad has a tie, a car, a dog. The correct answer is a car. The car is big, little, blue. Yes, the car is blue. The car can go fast, run, swim. The correct answer is The car can go fast. Look at the cat. The cat has a ball. The ball is red. Look at the cat. The cat has a ball. The ball is red. Let's write correct answer related to the passages. Look at the pig, cat, bat. Yes, cat. The cat has a bug, hat, a ball. A ball. The ball is red, blue, yellow. Red. Now it's time for home play. Complete the worksheet number 10 and 11 and share it with your subject teacher. Read the passages. That's all for today's class. Thank you.